Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to learn to knit this very beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your lady sweater, jean sweater, baby sweater. This is the pattern. This is the look of this pattern. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is wrong side is all purl stitch. So this is 14 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of 7 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 7 7 7 7 7 7 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch on both sides. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 17 stitches on my needle, which is 7 plus 7 14 plus 1 extra stitch 15 and 2 edge stitch 17. So row 1 right side, your edge stitch knit on the right side, and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn over SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK, knit 1, yarn over SSK, and then knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over SSK, and knit 4. Repeat that again. We have one more repeat. Knit 1, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and knit 4, 1 2 3 and 4. So we have done 2 repeats from here to here, and your last 2 stitch, 1 extra stitch and 1 edge stitch. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 2 wrong side. For row 2 and every wrong side rows, purl all stitches. Row 3 right side. Row 3 right side, your edge stitch knit slipwise on the right side, slip knitwise on the right side, and then start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 2, 1 2, knit 2, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and knit 4. So knit 3, 1 2 and 3. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 2, yarn over SSK, knit 3. Repeat that again. Knit 2, 1 2, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit these two together through the back loop. SSK and knit 3, 1 2 and 3. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 4 wrong side. Row 4 wrong side, purl all stitches. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch slip knitwise on the right side, and start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1 2 3, knit 3, yarn over SSK, slip 1 knitwise, slip 2 knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop. SSK, knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over SSK, knit 2. Again, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over SSK and knit 2, 1, 2. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 6. For row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7, edge stitch, slip, and start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, yarn over SSK and knit 1. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over SSK, knit 1. Repeat that again. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over SSK and knit 1. And your last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 8, purl all stitches. Row 9, edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knit 5, yarn over SSK. That's the repeat. Knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK. Again, knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK. And last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 10. For row 10, purl all stitches. Row 11, edge stitch, slip, and before you start the repeat, first knit 1, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, we are going to draw a loop from these 5 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to draw 5 loops from these holes. So first here, draw a loop, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Draw 5 loops and then knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knit 5 and yarn over SSK. That's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, draw 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then knit 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yarn over SSK. Again draw 5 loops, 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Draw 5 loops and then knit 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and then yarn over SSK. See? And your last edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 14. For row 14, your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Purl 6 and then purl 6 together. These 5 loops and this 1 purl stitch. These 5 loops and then this 1 purl stitch. Purl 6 together. And purl 6 together. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Purl 6 together. Repeat that again. One more repeat. Purl 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and then purl 6 together. This 1 purl stitch and then these 5 loops. Purl 6 together. See, we have done 2 repeats and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, purl. Now row 13, for row 13 knit all stitches. Row 14, purl all stitches. Last row. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 14 rows, row 1 to row 14 over and over again until you reach your desired length. And after a few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll share my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.